Hey, it's Gina from WTI. One of my favorite things about this Glimmer Boomstick from Boom by Cindy Joseph is how simple it is to put on for really good effects. I love using this Glimmer stick to highlight my cheekbones so that they really stand out. I love to use it on the inner part of my eyes and then to highlight right below my eyebrows on my brow bone. That really helps to brighten my eyes with a minimal amount of makeup. I love to wear this with just its counterpart, the berry lip and cheek stain, but I also like to combine it with other makeup. And sometimes I do full makeup, sometimes I have less, and it works for both. This is specifically formulated for mature skin. I'm in my mid-40s, so I'm getting to that point where I am getting mature skin, but I think this is such a beautiful formula that really it could be used for any age, any skin type, and any skin tone. If you want to take the work out of your makeup routine, I recommend getting these Boomsticks. They are awesome, and that's my point of view.